it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with KingGav. Yeah, man, KingGav with Shake It to the Max. Yes, it's a remix. It's a blind new thing. Yes, so it's called Shake It to the Max remix, Blind Man song, official audio. Let's talk about the title in a minute, but more and big up the production team. Mikey, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Struggle to success. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Guys, that youth here is a blind youth. Yes, it's a blind youth, just like Niger Boy. Actually, he's actually friends with Niger Boy. Yes, him and Niger Boy are bridging. So, you don't know, say, the blind, our next blind youth to step out again. Yeah, me like it. The talent. So, we're going to jump in the one and see what going on. But before we do that, I could do this and talk about the title. So, KingGav. The title very long. Start out the title. Shake It to the Max remix, Blind Man song, official. I don't see your name in the title. Put your name in the title, please. Put your name in the title. So when people type in your name, them song you can come up to. And not just your Vivo. You understand? KingGav Vivo. Yeah, it done the pay Vivo already. But put the name in the title, my G. You see me? Yeah. So anyway, apart from that, everything good. I could jump in the one and see what the G has sent, man. Let's go, man. Get it, KingGav. Shake It to the Max remix, Blind Man song. Let's go.
You know, see, he's a blind man. You know, see me can a wap. You see me can just a wap. Pass me can get slap. Drop right by your head top, boodoo doof buff. You know, see me can not looking. And he's a blind man, he can't guiding. That simple mean me and me can blind. They know me if you go follow white line. Yeah, see, he's a blind man.
Him can't blind, I ain't blind.
You know, see me can a wap. See me can just a wap. Pass me can get slap. Drop right by your head top, boodoo doof buff. You know, see me can not looking. And he's a blind man, he can't guiding. That simple mean me and me can blind. They know me if you go follow white line. But she wants some sugar. My girl, yeah, a white liver. You know, so this a cane, you have to guide the master. Me know it have couple giants for your long fat.
Blood clot. The cane mama want and I cane where Jay walk with, you know. The cane mama want and I cane. And the cane we have giant. The sweet one. That's what she want. Yeah, the one you can put in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Yeah, I'm making know what you think about it.
Yeah, see, he's a blind man. You know, see me can a wap. You see me can just a wap. Pass me can get slap. Drop right by your head top, boodoo buff. You know, see me can not looking. And he's a blind man, he can't guiding. That simple mean me and me can blind. They know me if you go follow white line.
Can't follow the white line.
But she wants some sugar. My girl, yeah, a white liver. You know, so this a cane, you have to guide the master. Me know it have couple giants for your long fat. But them a giants that we snap your finger. So tell me, then what you feeling for? Just a look to see which part the landmark stop. To me see something bush up and fat. You know, say.
Hold on. Me know it's a young artist. I know the production kind of limited with people involved and thing. Me know that. You should get one girl for set a party, bro. It's a bad. You see me? Listen.
But them a giants that we snap your finger. So tell me, then what you feeling for? Just a look to see which part the landmark stop. To me see something bush up and fat. You know, see me get a wap. Landmark stop. So tell me, then what you feeling for? Just a look to see which part the landmark stop. To me see something bush up and fat.
Oh, blind man, I look for see something with buff up and fat. You blind? I show you how to say blind, man. I believe say blind, you know. So you go see if you sitting buff up and fat. What go on? Oh, you're not the boy stay so.
Just a look to see which part the landmark stop. To me see something bush up and fat. You know, see me get a wap. You see me can just a wap. Pass me can get slap. Drop right by your head top, boodoo doof buff. You know, see me can not looking. And he's a blind man, he can't guiding. That simple me and me can blind. They know me if you go follow white line. Now who that cooking? Smell like dumpling and curry chicken. But when me take a pause, realize I'm my granny farting. Oh, the granny. Yes, my grandson.
How granny fat smells so like curry chicken and dumpling? Granny fat.
Me take a pause, realize I'm a granny farting. Oh, the granny. Yes, my grandson. You want me to show you're serving? No, granny. Grab me to the doctor. Cause I feel like my nose need a cleaning. After my nose just can't twist that fat. You know, see me cane a wap, 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 wap. See me cane just a wap, 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 wap. Pass me cane again, slap, 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 slap. Drop right by your head top, boodoo doof bop. You know, see me cane not looking. And he's a blind man, he can't guiding. That simple mean me and me came blind. They know me if you go follow white line, white line, white line.
Oh, class. Yo, I have a question. KingGav, I have a question. Is your music have a gimmicky feel to it, or I just you just have fun with that one? How it go? Also, guys, let me show him. I walk with a stick. So DJ blind for true. I know joke. Him blind for true. See me walk with the stick. Him send me this today.
He's a blind man. You know, see me cane a wap, 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 wap. You see me cane just a wap, 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 wap. Pass me cane again, slap, 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 slap. Drop right by your head top, boodoo doof buff. You know, see me cane not looking. And he's a blind man, he can't guiding. That simple mean me and me cane blind.
Yeah, I am that. I'm blind for real. KingGav Vivo. See him Vivo channel there. So I'm doing things. So is it a case where all I'm saying them have a gimmick feel to it, or him just have fun with that one? It would be interesting to know. It would be very interesting to know. Anyway, I like it. I fuck with it, bro. I fuck with a bit of fun in the music. I fuck with a bit of fun in the music. So nothing wrong with that, my G. Continue doing what you do, bro. And obviously your production team are gonna improve over the time period after you actually doing the music. So big up yourself. When I said like his production team, I mean like people who are sure about him thumbnail them and them something there. I remember I said the G blind, you know. So yeah, the people that I go show about him thumbnail, I go put more care and work on them thing. Like I'm on the channel right now, look at him thumbnail them. And they are basic thumbnails. But at least you don't know him have something out there, you see me? So the journey start, bro. Continue showing it, bro. How long time you do it though, fam? Because you have video from 8 years ago and thing. Yeah, big up yourself, yeah, G. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Continue do it, man. Continue do it. And like you say, you're bridging with Niger Boy as well. So I know saying Niger Boy can teach you one or few things where him pick up in the business, you see me? So yeah, big up yourself, my G, and continue doing your thing. Comment section, get active and let him know what you think in the comment about him project him, you see me? So yeah, big up on yourself, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. You don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.